So it's week 11 of Sunday Newman. Randy Newman songs for Sundays. The lockdown element is fading away, it seems, for the moment anyway. And the song that I'm going to sing this week is one that he wrote quite early on in his career, in the early 60s. And it came out on his first album, Randy Newman, although a couple of other people had already recorded it by then. And it's a really beautiful song called I Think It's Going to Rain Today. I didn't know it particularly well, and when I first came to look at it closely, I found that the words were very bleak. And actually, Randy Newman himself has said that he finds it a little bit maudlin and possibly rather immature. But the music is really beautiful, and it is in fact one of the most covered of all his songs. More people have recorded this than practically any of his others. So here it is, I Think It's Going to Rain Today. Broken windows and empty hallways, pale dead moon in a sky streaked with grey. Human kindness is overflowing, and I think it's going to rain today. Scarecrows dressed in the latest styles, with frozen smiles to keep love at bay. Human kindness is overflowing, and I think it's going to rain today. Lonely, tin can at my feet, think I'll kick it down the street. That's the way to treat a friend. Right before me the signs implore me, help the needy and show them the way. Human kindness is overflowing, and I think it's going to rain today. And I think it's going to rain today. Thank you, and see you again next week.